In my last video, I covered 10 different ways on how to earn money from Amazon affiliate marketing. Out of these 10 ways, the most profitable way to make money is with Amazon niche websites. Most people use Amazon niche websites to earn thousands of dollars each month. If you also want to make thousands of dollars each month, you should definitely go for a niche website. So the question is, what are the niche websites? How to make them? How can you work on it to earn $1,000 and more every month? Hello friends, my name is Preetham Nagrale. You are welcome to my channel Dematic Digital, where you learn about digital marketing. Do subscribe to my channel now because free content of this channel is better than premium content. So let's begin. Niche websites are the websites that focus on a particular topic. A niche website can focus on topics like music, audio, car accessories, shaving, swimming, kitchen, green tea or coffee, products for babies or kids, finance, fitness, furniture, gardening, parenting, supplements, pet foods, fashion, apps, electronics, smart home, personal care, personal development, toys, baby products, arts and crafts, or many other topics. Most niche websites usually post reviews of different products on a particular niche, or they write content like list of top 10 products. To understand it better, I am going to show you some of the best examples of niche websites making money from Amazon affiliate. PCPartPicker.com. It is a US based website that focuses on personal computers and everything related to it. On SimilarWeb, its traffic is more than 10 million per month. Now you can assume the earnings of this website. Digit.in. This is an Indian website that covers different gadgets and new arrivals. It also receives around 10 million traffic every month. Dog Food Advisor. This website only covers dog food, but surprisingly its monthly traffic is around 1.2 million. Homegrounds. This website has coffee related content. Its monthly traffic is around 475,000. Soundguys.com. It covers different types of headphones and speakers. Its monthly traffic is around 1.75 million. So now you understand what niche websites actually are and how they can help you get high traffic even with a specific topic. Websites with a traffic of more than 1 lakh can easily make $1,000 per month. You can imagine how much money these niche websites are making every month. Now, if you understand what the Amazon niche websites are, it's time to know how to create a niche website and how to make money from an Amazon niche website. I'll show you 9 steps to make money with Amazon niche websites. You need to follow each step properly in order to set up an Amazon niche website and earn a regular monthly income from this. Step 1. Selecting a niche. This is the most important step. Any mistakes in this process can affect your income. Amazon has around 10 million products and dozens of profitable categories. You can pick a category and decide your niche. But before selecting a niche, you have to keep 3 things in mind. First is profit. Select a niche that is profitable. Not all categories give you the same amount of profit. Amazon offers different commission rates on different products. The commission range is between 1 to 10%. You should choose a category which offers you at least 4% commissions. Products between $80 to $150 price range will give you good profit to you. These products have a good conversion rate and the commission is also profitable. Second is knowledge. You should have a deep knowledge of your niche. Without deep knowledge, you won't be able to create valuable content. Always choose a niche that you know very well, as it will save a lot of time for writing the content. Third is interest. If you don't enjoy your niche, it will become a burden to you. In this situation, you'll get stuck and there will be no meaning to you to pursue it. Choose a niche that you can enjoy writing even if you don't make any money for the next 6 months. I've seen that a lot of people have only one objective, that is making money at any cost, and money is their only driving force. If you fall into this category, you can choose any category you want without much interest and knowledge. In such a case, money itself will teach you everything. Step 2. Select your target audience. Target selection is another important step. It can be any country you want, be it US, UK, Canada, Germany, India, or any other country where Amazon provides its affiliate program. Even if you target an international audience, you have to select the main country that will be the main source of traffic. Amazon US is the most profitable target, but the commission rates are low. But at present, Amazon US has become less competitive as top affiliate marketers have shifted their focus to other affiliate programs. If I talk about the Amazon India affiliate program, I would say it has great potential. The competition is almost nil and the success rate is very high. If you follow all these steps mentioned here, it will be easy for you to get success for the Amazon India affiliate program. You can target any country that you want. You'll get maximum search traffic from the targeted country, but Google also sends you 15 to 30% international traffic. If you set up geo-targeting, you can monetize your international traffic. I'll soon make a video on geo-targeting that will help you to earn extra affiliate commission from other countries as well. Step 3, set up your website. The next step is setting up your website. It's very easy and you can literally do it in 5 simple steps. First step is choosing domain and web hosting. The domain of a niche website should represent a brand and not any specific keyword. As I gave you 5 examples of Amazon niche websites, they were specific and represented the whole brand. For example, if you are setting up a fitness website, the domain name could be Fitness Guru, Fitness Talk, and keepyourselffitness.com. There are lots of web hosting companies in the market, but I would recommend Bluehost for beginners. Second is theme. Theme plays an important role in increasing the conversion rate of your website. A good theme is one that even a non-technical person can customize. It should be simple but excellent. Your theme should be mobile friendly. I am not going to confuse you with the dozens of names. According to me, the best theme for niche websites is GeneratePress. You can get free version of GeneratePress theme from the WordPress dashboard. If you want more excellent features, you can buy a GeneratePress Premium. I use the premium version of GeneratePress theme for most of my affiliate websites. Third is landing page builder. Usually it refers to every page where the visitors can land on your website. But in marketing, a landing page refers to a special affiliate or sales page that can boost your website's conversion rate. This is quite different from other pages on your website. The tool that is used to build a landing page is known as Landing Page Builder. My all-time favorite landing page builder is Elementor. With Elementor, you can design the most attractive and profitable landing pages. You can use a landing page builder on your niche website to increase the conversion rates. Fourth is plugins. Plugins help you get extra functionality on your website. Some of my favorite plugins are Yoast or Rank Math for SEO, Jetpack, an excellent plugin with multiple features, Smush or Short Pixel for compressing the images in the post, Auto Optimize or WordPress Rocket to speed up your WordPress website. Genius and AAWP are useful plugins for Amazon affiliates with excellent feature. Contact Form 7 to add simple contact forms on your contact us page or anywhere on your website. Updraft for the backup. Insert header and footers to insert HTML or other scripts, for example Google Analytics. Elementor for creating excellent affiliate pages. Fifth is important pages. These are the common pages that you can find on almost all good websites. These pages are home page, an about us page, contact page, blog, legal pages like affiliate disclaimer, terms of use, privacy policy, and other important pages. You need to create all these pages for your website. With these 5 steps, you can easily set up a niche website. If you want a detailed video on this topic, tell me in the comment section below. Fourth step is keyword research. It's a very crucial step. You should focus deeply on keyword research. If you don't do it properly, it can greatly impact your earnings. To carry out keyword research, the most important tool is SEMrush. It is a great tool that will help you find the right keywords for your niche. For Amazon affiliates, the profitable keywords include reviews of products or top 10 product lists. Initially, I would recommend you to choose long tail keywords with low difficulty. They are easy to rank on Google. It will help you to boost your confidence. You can keep the minimum volume criteria to 500 monthly searches. When your website starts getting some traffic, you can later move on to the medium difficulty or high difficulty keywords. Next is writing content. What if I say writing excellent content is easy? Most of the people fail at this step because they think writing quality content is hard. It's just a matter of practice. Keep reading more and more content about your niche. You will automatically see the improvement in your writing. In a niche website, you can create 4 different types of content. First is reviews. For example, reviews of the latest iPhone 12. Second is a list of best products. For example, 10 best earphones under $50. Third is comparison like iPhone 12 versus Samsung S20. Fourth is informational. For example, how to buy a camera. At present, the ideal length of the content for Amazon affiliate site is 3000 plus words. This is one of the best ways to beat your competitor and establish some authority. The best content always comes from experience. A single review article will continue to earn if it is good enough and well researched. Therefore, you should always try to test the product yourself before writing its review. Step 6. Promote your content. SEO is the best ways to promote your niche website because almost all Amazon affiliate sites receive the most of its traffic from Google only. You can also target search engines like Bing, Yahoo, and social media platforms like Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc. You can also promote your content through content syndication platforms to promote your brands and get extra traffic and backlinks for your website. So let's talk about SEO to promote your website. If you have a competitive niche, your focus should be quality SEO. If you have an easy niche, you definitely don't need to spend your energy on very high quality SEO. As per my research and experience, there is not much competition for most of the niches in Amazon. If I talk about the Indian market, the competition is even less. If your keyword research is proper, if you write great content, spend time on quality on-page SEO, then you don't need to focus much on off-page SEO. Even if you create some basic backlinks from high authority article submission websites and few links from the guest post, you can easily rank higher in your niche and get traffic on your website. Step 7. Amazon policies. Amazon is very strict when it comes to its policies. If you want to keep your account safe and need a consistent income from Amazon, then you need to understand and follow all these policies carefully. Amazon has several policies like you can only promote Amazon products on your website and social media handles. You can't promote products via email marketing. You can't copy images or content from Amazon to use on your website. You can't purchase from your own affiliate links and many other policies. I recommend you go through them at least once. If you want, I can make a separate video on this topic. Let me know in the comments below. Next step, conversion rate optimization. It means how you can increase your income from the same amount of traffic. For example, let's assume your website has a conversion rate of 2% and you make around $2,000 per month. If you optimize this conversion rate and increase it by 0.5% to 1%, you can increase your income from $2,000 per month to $2,500 or $3,000 per month. So how can you optimize conversion? There are different ways actually. First, if you target the right keywords, or you can say the buyer's keywords, for example, articles like product reviews, listicle articles, keywords like discounts and offers, these keywords can significantly increase your conversion rate. Some examples like review of Canon 200D or 10 best digital cameras or iPhone 12 discount, etc. Second, if you target long tail and low difficulty keywords, your website can easily rank on the top results of the search engine. Therefore, targeting long tail keywords can increase your conversion significantly. Another way of increasing the conversion rate includes adding affiliate links wherever possible. You can also add call to action buttons to maximize the conversion rate. Try to use comparison tables, high quality images, and geo-target your international traffic to monetize it. Fourth is try to capture the email of your subscribers by using a good quality email marketing tool like Aweber. You can send regular follow-up emails to your subscribers and keep on promoting Amazon and other stuff. You can try Aweber for just $1. Similarly, you can use push notification to capture your visitors. Step 9, scale your affiliate website. Now it's time to take a big step. If your website has started earning $1,000 to $2,000 per month, it's time to scale your website. It means increasing your monthly earnings to $5,000 or even more. To do it without confusion, I have compiled some important points for you. First is the most important step is reinvesting part of your earnings to grow your website. If you are making $1,000 to $2,000 per month, you should know how and where to invest. Second is you should analyze your traffic and understand it to find new ways to boost your income. Third is outsource your task. You can hire people for the tasks that consume most of your time but are not that important. For this, hire a freelancer writer or a full-time content writer to increase content frequency on your website. Fifth is acquiring high-quality backlinks. Sixth is opening a YouTube channel and covering the same topic in video format. Last but not the least, adding email capture forms on your website. Apart from that, there are several other ways that can help you maximize your affiliate earnings. If you work on your niche website properly for a year, it won't be hard to make $1,000 per month in the first year itself. The internet has huge opportunities and earning potential, but only for those who deserve it. There's no shortcut to riches. I hope you like this video. If you like this information, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, do it now.